Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set a custom image as a wallpaper for your Steam Deck. So to do this, simply click somewhere on your screen to configure desktop and wallpaper. Now, if you want to change it to the custom one, make sure that you're in a wallpaper right here. Select Add Image. Now find the folder that contains the image you want to set it as, and then open the file. Now let's find it somewhere right here. It should be at the bottom, I guess. If not, then somewhere on the top. Here it is. So click on it and then apply and OK, and your image is changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.